So step 6, take a snapshot of the final frame from the video that we imported from step 5 and use this to create a background image for a 7-second credits clip. Add your name, center number, and candidate details in the credits, and add a scroll effect to the credits. So to take a snapshot of the final frame of that video, just got to make sure that the black line is at the end of your video. To take a snapshot, you go to Home, and you click on Snapshot. Cool, so you can just save it anywhere. So I'm just going to save it here for now. Maybe in your exam, you're going to just save it to the folder that you are working in, where all your files are located. But for now, you can just save it anywhere if you're just in practice. So you'll see that once you've taken the snapshot, it puts the snapshot at the end of the clip that you took that final snapshot of. So according to the question, we have to make it appear for 7 seconds. So we're going to just click on this image. We're going to go to Edit and just check the duration. It is 7 at the moment, so we don't have to change anything. And we have to use this as a credits slide. So sometimes they may ask you to put other information on. So for example, in this first paragraph, you might want to say, if they're asking for appropriate credits, to say something like film by dive, GBR, and any other information that you might find in the credits of a video or movie. But for this question, they just say add your name, center number, and candidate details in the credits. So we're going to use this as our credit slide or clip. So what we're going to do to add in a caption or text onto this image, we're going to go to Home, going to click on Caption, and then we're going to type in the details over here. So they say we'll put our name, so you put your name, then maybe center number underneath that, and then your candidate number. So once we have put that in, we're going to add a scroll effect to these credits. So just make sure you have the text box selected, and you're going to see that under the Format tab, there are effects that you can choose from. So what you're going to be doing is looking for the scroll effect. So you can see that's fade, this is stretch, etc. So once you hover your mouse over the effect, it will tell you what it does. And you can also see it gives you a preview of what that effect does. But the scroll effect is this one over here. So we're going to click on the scroll effect. And just to double check it is working correctly, you can just play your video and you can see that the effect is working. So that is just how to take a snapshot, how to type on that snapshot, and how to add a scroll effect to the credits.